Hello all. You know Excel is most frequently used software in all industries. Now we will see basic uh, formulas in Excel while preparing salary sheet. We will cover auto numbering, data validation, date format, date difference, absolute addressing and if clause. Let us go to salary sheet. This my sheet is half ready, correct? So this is number and you can fill this number using auto number. I will remove this and I will show you how to use auto fill. Take a difference and drag a mouse. Take a difference, plus sign should come here. Now you enter name, city. For city we will use data validation. Already I have used data validation. So when I press this, then drop down comes and it is showing me only these cities, Delhi, Mumbai and Pune. So user is expected to enter only these cities in this format only, not capital Delhi, not capital Pune, like this. So what to do for this? I will remove this data validation and I will show how to use data validation. So in settings there are multiple options and you go to list, and I have already typed whatever I want. So I am going here and I have selected these cells where I have typed these cities. Otherwise in this you can type Delhi, comma, Mumbai, comma, Pune. So list say one and the same from here or typing here. Input message city, enter city. It is showing here city, enter city. Error alert, if anyone enters wrong city, then you have to give him error alert. It will show dialog box, correct? So now how we will check. I have selected Mumbai and here also I have copied this. I am trying to enter another city, Calcutta, and while enter it is giving me wrong city. So cancel this and you have to enter from the list. So I will copy and paste. I will copy this and paste for rest of the cells. Date of birth, this should be in date format. These two columns should be in date format, then only you can calculate number of years experience. So for that select it, go home, and here you have formatting of cell. So it should be in short date. Here also short date. Then to save time I will copy and paste this which is already there in my sheet. So randomly, but take care, date of joining and date of birth difference should be 18 years. So this is number of years experience. Date difference of date of joining minus date of birth. Date of joining minus date of birth. So date of joining is E6 actually, and today's date I am using today's date. Why I have taken E40 and today's date? Yes. So this is date difference. I have entered basic. Now for DA, I will remove this 25% of basic. 25% of basic means you are multiplying 0.25 into basic, ultimately 0.25 into basic. So actually this value is 0.25, but you have to make it in percentage, so it will show 25%. Now I will make it general. Here 0.1, ultimately 10%. Multiplying basic with 0.1 is 10% of basic. So this is 0.1, but make it percentage, so it will show 10%. Same thing for 8.33. Here you have to, already I have made it percentage, so 0.0833. So it will show 0.833. Now you have to fix it to H4, multiplying factor. So each and every basic you will multiply by H4. So if you will copy, means I will show you the difference between relative addressing and absolute addressing. Relative addressing is by default, means here plus sign and this multiply by this cell. So multiplying it by 0.25, enter. When I copy this cell, so this is relative addressing, here it will copy to H5, but my demand or my requirement is multiply it by H4 only. So here it should be H4. So there is a formula or provision that you can fix that multiplying factor. So that multiplying factor you can do it by F4. F4. So this is called absolute addressing, $H $4. So press enter. Now when you copy this for rest of the cell, when you copy this for rest of the cell, it will remain H4, which is our requirement. See here, it is H4 only. Same thing you will do it for HRA, equal to sign, basic, multiply this by this and press F4. Otherwise manually you can type $I $4, otherwise you can type F4, correct? So sorry, equal to basic, multiply by this, press F4, press enter and then copy and paste. TA calculation, we will use if clause. If logical test is basic greater than 10,000, greater than, we will make it equal to 10,000. This is my logical test, and if this logical test is true, then you will give you will have TA 2000, otherwise TA is 1000. Close this bracket. This is my if clause. You can see here, if G6 greater than or equal to 10,000, comma 2000, comma 1000. Yes, now we will check whether it is working well. Yes, above 10,000 it is 2000. Provident fund same as DA and HRA. So what we will do, this basic, multiply this by multiplying factor, make it F4, enter, and yes, one cell is remaining, you can copy and paste it. Professional tax is 200, plain 200, but You can type this, but I will suggest don't type it. What you do, this into this you copy from L3, correct, and make it F4, means absolute addressing. You point it to this cell and fix it, correct. So I will tell you the advantage. Yes. Now the advantage is, if my professional tax after 1 year it's 500 for all, it will be 500 for all. No need to go and change it. Now it is 200. Now to calculate net salary, as you know, plus basic plus allowances minus deduction minus PF minus PT. Professional tax and provident fund are deductions and these are allowances, and you will add allowances to basic, correct. Now you can, this is your formula, you can copy it to rest of the cells. So this is your salary sheet ready. Then next video we will see pivot table. Okay, till then, bye. Thank you.